with Sierra Repair, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find your model number on a Briggs Stratton Mower. So one of the first things you're going to want to look for is that logo right there. If you see the Briggs Stratton logo anywhere on your mower, that's how you know you have a Briggs Stratton engine. Now, one of the tricky things is that people will find on their mowers is they'll be sometimes finding two different model numbers on their machine. And what does that actually mean? Well, as you can see here, this mower is built by Craftsman, but it does have a Briggs Stratton engine. So you're going to have a model and serial number for the Craftsman side of the mower, and you're also going to have a model and serial number for the Briggs Stratton side of the mower. Now, to find the Craftsman model and serial number, there are a couple places you can look. The first place to look would be somewhere along the back end of this deck. Sometimes there'll be a sticker back here and it'll show your model and serial number. You can also check back behind on the grass deck covering. Down here you can see that this is where our model and serial number sticker is located. Or if you lift up the grass panel, sometimes back there in that left hand corner there will also be a sticker for your model and serial number. And then the last place the Craftsman model and serial number could be located is just on the back of the gas tank, right here where this white sticker is. So in our case, on this mower, it is just located right behind the grass deck cover. And you can see right on the sticker, it is clearly written model number up top, and then below it is the serial number. Now, to find your engine numbers for your Briggs Stratton mower, there are a couple places you can look. The first place you can look is if you bend this flat back right here, you can read it right along here. The other place is up front, right along the front of this shroud covering. Let me take it off so you guys can get a better look. So if we come down and look on the side of this mower, on the side of this flap, sometimes it can be a little dirty, so I like to put a little bit of soap on it. And I like to clean it off just so we can see it nice and clearly. And if it will focus right, you can see the model and serial number. Model number located right here, and serial number located right here. And if you come down and you look on the front of the engine cover, it can also be located right along here, and it'll be engraved on there, so if it's there, it'll be there, just like this other one on the side flap right here. Now here are some markings or engravings on your mower that we are not looking for when you're coming on down to Sierra Repair to look for a part for your mower. If you look on the very front, anything that says like this 7.25 gross torque or the 190cc, that really doesn't help us out because we won't be able to look that up in our system on our computers to find the correct part you'll be needing. Another example is right down here. Any little barcodes that just have random numbers, come on, focus, there we go. Anything like this isn't really going to help us. What we really need are your engine model number and serial number, or along with that, your Craftsman model number or serial number. Just some model or serial number to help us get the best knowledge of what type of mower you have so we can get you the correct part the first time. And with that being said, you should have no problem now finding your model and serial number for your Briggs Stratton mower. Once you get those model and serial numbers located, go ahead and write them down, whether it be on a piece of paper or on your phone, and bring those numbers down to Sierra Repair. We can look them up in our system and we can find whatever part you need. If you guys found this video helpful, please leave it a like and consider subscribing for future content. Thanks again.